still staying at it. If it wasn't fashion, then they still P's had it. You should know the